We don't talk about the circle, it's a secret.
May I?
What was the deal with the one guy covered in tattoos? You're not my type. Wow. He's so hot.
No one's my favorite. It's too late to close it now.
I must break you.
If he manages to lay a hand on me, I'll go without sex for a month.
Like a bet?
Yeah, and if I win, you have to stay with me for a month.
Ooh, you're on. How did this happen? Don't cross this line, okay? Wall of China. Wow, what's this?
It's not a pen, I'll tell you that.
Whoa! What did I just get out of you?
Shut up and just kiss me.
Čudovita Polomija v kinu od 13. aprila.